Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Ja. Today I'll be showing you guys how I make over my little sister. This is not like a makeup tutorial really, because I honestly forget to show a lot of the products that I use. I will name them. Like if I forget to show them, I will say the name of the products that I'm using, but I forgot to show you guys every product, so I won't call this a makeup tutorial, but you'll be seeing how I do makeup, and you'll be seeing a transformation. I tamed her eyebrows and I cut off her unibrow. Then I use a pencil, and using very light strokes, I filled her eyebrows in. I use LA Girl concealer to outline her eyebrows and make them pop more. As I said in the beginning of the video, this is not a makeup tutorial, so I will not be talking as much during this video. Like, I'm not explaining much at all. I'm just showing you guys the products that I'm using and letting you guys watch me do it. Watch me do the process or whatever. That's it. From like drugstores is the Maybelline True Match Foundation. I primed her eyes with LA concealer as well. The same kind of concealer that I use to outline her eyebrows with, just a lighter shade. Then I use the Morphe palette to do her eyeshadow. The Morphe palette that I use on her is actually my favorite palette. It's the 35R palette, and it has a lot of gold and nude shades, and it just goes really well with brown skin. To make the gold eyeshadow pop even more, I use the pigment. It's very thick and shiny, and I really love it, and it makes the Morphe eyeshadows look more pigmented, because to me they aren't as pigmented as they can be. So the glitter pigment that I have makes face with some setting spray. It's not a popular brand. I actually don't even know the name of it, but it was cheap, and I'm a beginner makeup artist, so I just got it just because it was cheap. But it works pretty well to me. So I set her face, and this is the finished look. I added lip gloss to her lips. This is some lip gloss that I bought from Ulta. It's hers, not mine. It was only like $5 or something, but it is very cute to me, and it lasts a while. I actually know the brand of this. This is by Essence. Okay, this is really the finished look now, and I'm going to show you guys some close-up footage of how her makeup looks. Success is on the way, I feel it in the distance. Used to look up at the sky, wherever you are, where you going. I know you're the reason I believe. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to this video and watching me make over my little sister. And this is the finished look from 3 different views.